Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can add Gemini Code Assist 2 to VS Code and how we can speed up our coding workflow. First, click on this extensions here or click the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+X and search for Gemini Code Assist, and you will see this official extension from Google. Click on this and click on install, and Gemini Code Assist will be installed. Now you need to sign into this, so click on this Gemini Code Assist icon that is added to the left navigation drawer and click on sign in with Google. You will be asked, do you want to open external website? Click on open and your authentication page from Google will open. Now choose the email with which you want to sign in. Here just click on sign in, and once you see this page that says you are now authorized to access your account, you can go back to VS Code and here you will be signed in. Now let's open any project. Okay, I have this project here that has 2 files. So let's say I want to add some code to this file that adds and subtracts numbers. So what I can do is click on this Gemini Code Assist button here, pass this file as context, and just tell Gemini to provide code to add 2 numbers. Write function to add and subtract 2 numbers in this file, and hit enter. And let's see what Gemini Code Assist presents. So once this is done, scroll down here. As you can see, it has provided 2 changes: add numbers and subtract numbers, and it also gives you steps on how to use this. Run the main py, when Jojo is listening, say this, and so on. So let's try to add these 2 files. Where is the code? As you can see here, the code is added, subtract numbers and add numbers. So it not only added 2 functions, it also used this file to see what I was doing. So this is actually a virtual assistant, and when I say add, this add numbers function is called, and when I say subtract, this subtract number function is called. So it went beyond just creating the functions to actually using it. Okay, so now you can just click on insert in current file and it will insert everything. So what you can do is you can just click on this to preview the changes, and as you can see, a new thing that is added is in this yellow color. So you can just click on accept and those 2 functions are added to your code. These are the new lines and these are the new functions. Now let's see if you want to understand some code. So what you can do is, let me just close this so it's easier to understand, and let's say you want to understand what this thing is doing here. So what you can do is select this thing, right click on it, and just click on explain this, and Gemini will explain the code, and it explains the code pretty well. Now if you want to generate a code within the specific section of a file, what you can do is you can just write the function name here or write a comment here and say write function to multiply 3 numbers, and you can highlight this comment, right click on it, and just hover over Gemini Code Assist and click on generate code. And as you can see, it has already generated the code. To accept this, just click tab and this code will be automatically added to your file. So this is how you can add Gemini Code Assist 2 to VS Code and speed up your coding workflow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.